Edit an existing role. You can easily edit an existing role setup to change a role title or add or remove employee access to shortcut slide features to suit your changing business needs. In this lesson, you'll learn how to edit existing employee role allocations and edit existing role permissions. From General Settings, select Roles. Select the role to edit and enter Edit Mode. Here, you can change the role to inactive, remove an employee from that role, or change permissions. For example, if an employee is acting in a role while you or another employee are on leave, you can disable their current role and enable the new role until the person on leave has returned. To change permissions for all employees in that role, locate the option you want to change and toggle Yes or No to enable or disable. Click Done to save. In this lesson, you've learned how to edit employee role allocations and edit existing role permissions.